1. Open the settings to connect to device-exclusive hotspots. 2. Open KAWA Auto and confirm that the device is successfully connected. If it is not connected, add the device again. 3. Go to My Device and select the device that needs to be upgraded. 4. Choose between switching networks. 1. Cellular data. Turn off Wi-Fi. Turn on mobile data. Return to the page. Click on the version number to check for updates. 2. External Wi-Fi. Disconnect the machine's Wi-Fi and connect to an external wireless network. Return to the page and click on the version number to check for updates. 5. After detecting the new firmware, confirm the download. 6. After selecting OK, enter the download interface, and there will be a progress bar prompt. 7. Click on the Push Upgrade package and wait for the push and automatic device upgrade. 8. Pull down the status bar or enter the settings to find the Wi-Fi function, switch the recorder hotspot, and return to the application. 9. Click on Push the upgrade package to push the upgrade package to the recorder. Please do not exit the interface. Once the push is complete, the device will automatically return to the KAWA homepage and upgrade itself. 10. If there is a push failure, please click Repush again and try again.